Hi, welcome to Jana Eats. I'm Jana and I love to eat. And I'm also gluten-free. I eat gluten-free. And this show is designed to create ease for families that have been touched by autism and autoimmune diseases. And if you've got kids and family members that can't eat gluten or casein, this is the show for you. And the great part about it is, even though it's allergy-free cooking, the whole family is going to love what we're putting down. So I'm going to start by teaching you my magic lemon oil. And it is so simple, it's astonishing. So what you do, and now, you need a Meyer lemon. So Meyer lemons are thin-skinned, so make sure you try to get a Meyer lemon, otherwise it's too pithy, but we can go into that later. You're just going to wash your lemon, which I've done, and rest assured I've washed my hands. And you're just going to cut it up into small pieces, just so the blender has an easier time of chunking this up. And I'm going to put it right here behind me in my trusty Vitamix. I also recommend that you invest in a Vitamix. The thing about Vitamix, let me tell you, it took me forever to get a Vitamix. I mean, they're really expensive, and you think, what's the deal? I'm telling you, if you get one, it'll change your life. You'll never look back. It's an American company. You can send it back in if anything goes wrong. They're phenomenal. So I'm going to put this cut up lemon, easy, yeah, into my Vitamix. The next thing that's going to go in is 2 cups of olive oil. I make sure my olive oil is organic. Costco has organic olive oil in a big old vat, just like this. And it's very cost effective. I'm going to put the oil right into my Vitamix. The other thing too I'm going to put is some sea salt. I highly recommend sea salt. Don't get rid of your iodized Morton free falling. It's not good for you. They put stuff in it that makes it pour easier, and I don't want you putting that in your beautiful bodies. Just put these minerals. Good, yay. Just put, and this doesn't have to be an exact measure, just put like a teaspoon, and then you can always add more later. So we're going to turn on that Vitamix and grind the heck out of it. Voila, lemon oil. Easy, yeah? So the next episodes, I'm going to teach you 2 dressings on what to do with this. You're going to love it, I promise. Thanks for tuning in.